Simplify the following fraction. 3 over w minus 6 over 2w plus 1 over 5 over w plus 8 over 2w plus 1. So the first thing we have to notice is that the common denominator between all of the pieces of this fraction is w times 2w plus 1. So each piece is going to have to be multiplied by something in order to have that denominator. The first piece is going to have to be multiplied by 2w plus 1 over 2w plus 1. The second piece is going to have to be multiplied by w over w. The third piece is going to have to be multiplied by 2w plus 1 over 2w plus 1. This one's going to here. And this piece will have to be multiplied by w over w. Sorry about the formatting on that. So when we do this multiplication, we'll have this 3 times 2w plus 1 over our common denominator minus 6w also over our common denominator. So we can just combine those right away. And then in the denominator we'll do the same thing. We have this 5 being multiplied by this fraction. So we have 5 times 2w plus 1 over our common denominator, but we also have plus 8w, so we can combine those two. Now from here we can do a little more simplification, multiplying this 3 through and this 5. So we'll have 6w plus 3 minus 6w over w times 2w plus 1. And we'll have all of that over 10w plus 5 plus 8w over w times 2w plus 1. Now our next step, we can multiply the top by the reciprocal of the bottom. And in this process I'm going to also do a little simplification. So we'll have 3 over w times 2w plus 1. We can multiply that by w times 2w plus 1 over 18w plus 5. Because if we flip this bottom part, this fraction in the bottom, we get this. And it's like doing the same thing as dividing. So now we have a w in the top and bottom that cancel, a 2w plus 1 in the top and bottom, and we're left with 3 over 18w plus 5.